Sanbona, welcome to our Zulu counting lesson. Today we are going to learn how to count from 1 to 10 in isiZulu. Are you ready? Let's count together and have fun. And stay with me till the end of the fun counting challenge. 1 kunye kunye 2 kubili kubili 3 kuthathu kuthathu 4 kune kune 5 kuhlanu 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 6 isithupha 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 7 isikhombisa 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 8 isishiyagalombili isishiyagalombili 9 isishiyagalolunye isishiyagalolunye 10 ishumi ishumi 10 is ishumi kunye kubili kuthathu kune kuhlanu isithupha isikhombisa isishiyagalombili isishiyagalolunye kanye neshumi. I hope you got that, because now we're gonna do a fun challenge and you're gonna have to pause the video and count how many objects are on each slide and say the number in Zulu. Now let's see how many you can do. Kunye kunye kubili kuthathu kune kuhlanu isithupha isithupha isikhombisa isikhombisa isishiyagalombili isishiyagalombili isishiyagalolunye isishiyagalolunye ishumi ishumi. Wow, you did an amazing job counting in isiZulu. Do you think you can count backwards from 10 in Zulu? Let me know in the comments and also tell me your favorite number. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.